What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2021 Ram TRX in the shop. Now in the front we are going to be doing some Kings 3.0 front coilovers, and in my opinion you cannot go wrong with those. Staying in the front, we are going to be upgrading our upper control arms to some Icon billet upper control arms. Now moving to the rear, we are going to be installing some Kings 3.5 bypass reservoir shocks, and man, these things are monsters. But guys, enough talking. Let's get this TRX in the shop and I'll see you when we're done. So guys, the TRX is all wrapped up. The customer's on his way to pick it up right now, but let's do a quick recap on what got done to this TRX, starting off with Icon's billet upper control arms. Next, we have the 3.0 Kings coilovers in the front and the 3.5 bypass secondary shocks in the rear. I can tell you one thing, this TRX is ready to hit the trail, and I'm excited to see what the customer thinks. But guys, as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought about what we did to this TRX in this episode. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.